Yeah, so basically one of the first steps to do, of course, is just to have an account with the openai.com. So that's the first thing you're going to do. You create your account, and from there, you're allowed to be given access to this. So one of the capabilities, for example, we can decide to start with, you know, made examples. For example, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old child. So just press enter. So these are suggestions it's giving. So it's telling you you could go to the movie, their favorite movie, plan a day trip, have a sleepover, host a sport tournament. The list goes on and on. I think it's about 10 that it's going to give. This is really awesome. So we could also regenerate a response, but for now, that's not what we want to do. So one other thing we can do is we can tell it to write a poem about ChatGPT. Write a poem about ChatGPT. We could even be more specific. Write a 10-line poem. I don't know what's happening. Yes, great. So we'll just concord that, write a 10-line poem about ChatGPT. I will just give it some seconds and it comes up. So this is so the list is literally endless. So for example, we could for those who are into programming, so you could say something like you could say something like write a Django app that's what uses ChatGPT API. So it's literally writing the code for us. For those who are into Python, yeah, you can see that it's importing using the request libraries and the JSON libraries also, and it's setting the API endpoints for it. So you could literally copy this code and paste it in your own work, and it does the job for you. Yeah, it also goes as far as even explaining what the code does. Basically, it's really, really powerful. Really, really powerful. It's so powerful. The needs are endless. So basically, this is just it. Just feel free to play around with it. Register. If you have any questions, also just ask me in the comment section. Believe me, I'm always there to answer you.